Let me show you a quick method of inserting different flags in your document. So here I got some countries. If I need a flag of India, I just head to Insert, Symbols, Emoji, and on the right side you will see there's a whole group for country flags. There's so many that I suggest to use the search bar. And here it is. Click on it and it will be inserted. The size is controlled by the font size. So if you want to make the flag really large, you must increase the font size while selecting the flag. So that's also possible. Again, place your cursor in the place you want to put the flag on. Click Insert. Search for Symbols, Emoji. Then search for the name of the country or manually browse the flag section. If you insert the flag in the wrong spot, you can now select that like any other text and drag it to different spot. And again, insert symbol emoji, search for the country name, click on it, and here it is. Keep in mind, sometimes when you select the part of the text, they got like the emoji icon here. That's something different. If I select the emoji from here, it will be more like a comment in the comment section on the right, not in the text. So don't use that. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.